Mandi Maniacs. So today I am going to be reviewing another coffee by Gloria Jeans. Sorry, the cat's, we're by the cat tree, so he's scratching. Anyway, the last one we had by Gloria Jeans was actually really good in my opinion. That was that chocolate raspberry lava cake, and it was really good. This is my second time actually trying Gloria Jeans, and this flavor that we will be reviewing is butter toffee. So I have some high hopes. It smells pretty nice too when you brew it, so let's give it a try. It's smooth. It's smooth. I'm getting almost a smoked flavor, like a smoky flavor. Smooth and smoky. Yeah, the aftertaste is a bit it starts off smooth and smoky, and then it has like a butterscotch finish. Yeah, so yeah, I would say I'm getting butterscotch toffee. The flavor's not overwhelming, so it is good though, really good. Yep. Very much a butterscotch toffee. And like I said, the flavor is very subtle. It's not overwhelming. I really like it actually. I would say it's quite decent. I prefer flavors that are strong, that you know they're really there, that they really bring it. I felt the raspberry chocolate lava did that better, but I will say this one is good. It's just more subtle. So if you're looking for a flavor that it's there, but it's a lot more subtle, it's not as like not as like really there, if you know what I mean, then this one I think you'll like. It's pretty good. Like I said, it starts off smooth and smoky. It's like a full robust smooth smoky flavor, and then the aftertaste is like a butterscotch. So it starts smooth and smoky, finishes butterscotch. I would recommend it. I think it's pretty good. So far I've only had 2 by Gloria Jeans, or was that what it's called? Sorry. Yeah, Gloria Jeans. And I would say they're both good. So if you're looking for a new coffee to try, I would recommend trying them. Please remember to like and follow or subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you later. Bye!